Hey there, plant enthusiasts and farming enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into the mesmerizing world of gardening and farming with me.
The world loves milk. From creamy lattes to delicious cheeses, this white gold is a staple in kitchens worldwide. Modern dairy farming has revolutionized the industry. Today's farms maximize efficiency and animal welfare. Let's explore the secrets of the most profitable dairy farms. Visit the lush green pastures of Ireland and witness the power of buffalo milk in Punjab. Uncover global trends shaping the future of dairy. Get ready to learn about cutting-edge technology and unique cow breeds. This journey promises to be both enlightening and utterly fascinating. So, grab your imaginary milking stool and let's dive in. When you think of Ireland, images of rolling green hills and charming villages probably come to mind. But did you know that Ireland is also a dairy powerhouse? Irish dairy farmers are renowned for producing some of the highest quality milk in the world. Their secret? A perfect blend of tradition and technology. Ireland's climate is ideal for dairy farming. Abundant rainfall creates lush pastures, providing cows with a natural and nutritious diet. But Irish farmers don't just rely on Mother Nature. They've embraced modern technology to enhance their operations. From robotic milking systems that maximize efficiency to data-driven software that monitors cow health, Irish dairy farms are at the forefront of innovation. This combination of natural resources and technological prowess has made Ireland a global leader in dairy production. Starting a dairy farm is no small feat. It requires careful planning, significant investment, and a deep understanding of the dairy industry. But fear not, aspiring dairy moguls. We're here to break down the blueprints for success. First things first, location, location, location. Just like in real estate, finding the right spot for your dairy farm is crucial. You'll need ample land for grazing and housing your cows, access to water, and proximity to processing facilities. Once you've secured the perfect plot, it's time to design your farm. Modern dairy farms are designed with efficiency and cow comfort in mind. Spacious barns provide shelter from the elements, while automated feeding systems ensure cows receive a balanced diet. And let's not forget the milking parlour, the heart of any dairy operation. Modern parlours use cutting-edge technology to milk cows quickly, gently, and hygienically. Running a profitable dairy farm requires more than just a love for cows. It's a business. And like any successful business, it requires savvy financial management. From tracking milk yields to managing feed costs, every dollar counts. One of the biggest expenses on a dairy farm is feed. Cows are big eaters, and providing them with a nutritious diet is essential for milk production. Many successful dairy farms grow their own feed, reducing reliance on expensive external suppliers. They also carefully monitor milk yields, identifying and addressing any factors that might be affecting production. Another key aspect of financial management is investing in technology that improves efficiency. Automated milking systems, for example, can significantly reduce labour costs while also improving milk quality. By embracing innovation and carefully managing expenses, dairy farmers can ensure their operations remain profitable. Section 5. Punjab, the buffalo milk bucket of India. Now, let's travel to India, a land known for its vibrant culture and diverse culinary traditions. India is also the world's largest milk producer, and a significant portion of that milk comes from a surprising source: buffaloes. In the state of Punjab, buffalo farming is a way of life. These gentle giants are prized for their rich, creamy milk, which is used to make everything from traditional Indian sweets to creamy cheeses. Buffalo milk is higher in fat and protein than cow's milk, giving it a richer flavour and texture. Punjab's success in buffalo milk production can be attributed to a combination of factors. The region's climate and soil conditions are ideal for buffalo farming, and farmers have developed generations of knowledge in caring for these animals. Additionally, the Indian government has implemented policies that support and encourage buffalo milk production. Section 6. The utterly amazing potential of buffalo milk. Buffalo milk might not be as common as cow's milk in some parts of the world, but it's gaining recognition for its unique qualities. Not only is buffalo milk richer in flavour and nutritional content, but it also offers several health benefits. Buffalo milk is naturally high in A2 beta-casein protein, which is easier to digest than the A1 protein found in most cow's milk. This makes buffalo milk a good option for people with lactose sensitivities. Additionally, buffalo milk is rich in calcium, phosphorus, and vitamins, making it a nutritious choice for people of all ages. As consumers become more health-conscious and adventurous in their food choices, the demand for buffalo milk is on the rise. This presents an exciting opportunity for dairy farmers looking to diversify their operations and tap into new markets. Section 7. Milking the trends. The future of dairy farming. The dairy industry is constantly evolving. From consumer preferences to technological advancements, numerous factors are shaping the future of milk production. Sustainability. Consumers are increasingly concerned about the environmental impact of their food choices. Precision dairy farming. Technology is revolutionizing the dairy industry. Plant-based alternatives. The rise of plant-based milk alternatives is challenging the traditional dairy industry. By embracing innovation and sustainable practices, the dairy industry can continue to thrive. Section 8. Got milk? The world needs you. The global population is growing, and with it, the demand for food, including dairy products, is increasing. This presents a significant opportunity for individuals passionate about agriculture and food production. The dairy industry offers a wide range of career paths, from hands-on farming to research and development. If you're interested in working with animals and have a knack for business, becoming a dairy farmer might be the perfect fit. If you're more tech-savvy, you could explore opportunities in precision dairy farming, developing and implementing cutting-edge technology to improve milk production. And if you're passionate about sustainability, you could work with dairy farmers to implement environmentally friendly practices. No matter your interests or skills, there's a place for you in the dynamic and ever-evolving world of dairy farming. So, if you're looking for a rewarding career that makes a real difference, consider joining the Moo-vement. Section 9. Conclusion. From cow to consumer, it's all about innovation. From the lush green pastures of Ireland to the bustling buffalo farms of Punjab, we've journeyed across the globe to uncover the secrets of the world's most profitable dairy farms. We've witnessed firsthand how technology, innovation, and smart business practices are transforming the dairy industry. But perhaps the most important lesson we've learned is that dairy farming is more than just a business. It's a passion. It's about caring for animals, producing high-quality food, and contributing to the global food supply. And as long as there's a demand for milk, cheese, and all the other delicious products dairy farms provide, there will always be a need for skilled and dedicated individuals to keep the industry moving forward. Now, we want to hear from you. What surprised you most about the world of modern dairy farming? Share your thoughts, comments, and any utterly amusing cow jokes in the comments below.